Have you ever wished you had a full production team helping you grow your YouTube channel? Well, what if I told you that AI can be that team? AI is changing the game for YouTube creators, from brainstorming video ideas to editing and even automating content uploads. It's like having a whole squad of tech wizards working behind the scenes, 24/7. In today's video, I'm diving deep into the world of AI and how it can help you level up your YouTube game. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned creator looking for an edge, these tools are going to save you serious time and boost your channel in ways you never thought possible. Trust me, this is the future of content creation.
All right, let's be real. The hardest part of YouTube is consistently churning out fresh, engaging video ideas. But what if I told you that AI can help you brainstorm like a boss? I'm talking about using AI tools like ChatGPT to basically become an idea-generating machine. And I'm not talking about just any ideas. I'm talking about viral-worthy concepts that your audience will actually want to watch. Let me show you. I asked ChatGPT, give me 5 viral video ideas for tech reviews, and here's what I got. And the best part? This is just scratching the surface. You can keep tweaking the prompts, getting super specific with your niche, and generating dozens of ideas in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen, my friends. This is a game changer, especially if you're feeling stuck or uninspired. AI can help you tap into trends, see what's working for others in your niche, and spark new creative directions you might never have thought of before. So ditch that writer's block and let AI be your brainstorming buddy. It's like having a direct line to a never-ending well of content gold.
Okay, you've got your killer video idea thanks to AI. Now it's time to turn that concept into a killer script. But before you spend hours agonizing over every word, let's see how AI can help us streamline the process. Remember ChatGPT? Yeah, that AI wizard can do more than just generate ideas. It can actually write your entire script for you. Let's say our video idea is the best AI tools for YouTubers. Watch this. Boom, instant script, complete with an introduction, key points, and even a call to action at the end. And the best part is, you can always go in and tweak things, add your own voice and style, and make it your own. It's like having a co-writer who's always down to collaborate. But wait, there's more. What if you're camera shy or just hate the sound of your own voice? AI's got you covered there too. We're talking about AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs. These bad boys can take your script and turn it into incredibly realistic speech. Not bad, right? It sounds so natural. You can even adjust the tone, the pacing, and even choose from different accents to match your style and brand.
Chapter 3. All right, we've got the script, the voiceover. It's time to bring it all together and edit this masterpiece. But let's be real. Editing can be the most tedious, time-consuming part of the process, unless you've got AI on your side. First up, we've got Descript. This AI-powered editing software is about to change your life. Seriously, Descript can transcribe your entire video, making it searchable and editable like a document. But here's where it gets really wild. Descript can auto-remove filler words, those ums and ahs we all drop, and even clone your voice for seamless audio fixes. One click and all my awkward pauses are gone. It's like magic, but it's real. Now, let's talk visuals. Remember those awesome cinematic shots you see in movies? Runway AI lets you create those effects with ease. Need to remove a background without a green screen? Runway AI does it instantly. And don't even get me started on thumbnails. We all know how crucial a captivating thumbnail is for attracting clicks. AI can generate eye-catching designs in seconds, analyzing your video's content and suggesting visuals that pop. Just type your video title and boom, a perfect thumbnail.
Chapter 4. Okay, you've poured your heart and soul into creating the most amazing video the world has ever seen. But here's the hard truth. If no one can find it, it's like it doesn't even exist. That's where AI-powered SEO comes in. It's like giving your video a superpower to get seen by the right audience. We're talking about tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ. These are your secret weapons for understanding what people are actually searching for on YouTube. For example, if I type in best AI tools for YouTube, it shows me related keywords, their search volume, and even the competition level. This is gold, people. It tells you what your audience wants and how to optimize your title, description, and tags to rank higher in search results. And once your video is ready to go live, AI can even help you schedule and auto-post it to all your social media platforms. No more manual uploads, no more switching between apps, just seamless automated promotion. Think of it like this: AI is like having a personal social media manager who never sleeps, ensuring your content gets seen by as many eyes as possible.
Chapter 5. And there you have it. We've gone from brainstorming ideas to editing, voiceovers, SEO, and even automating our entire workflow, all with the power of AI. It's like having a whole team of experts at your fingertips, helping you create better content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately grow your channel faster than ever before. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. AI is constantly evolving, getting smarter and more intuitive every day. The possibilities are limitless. So which AI tool are you most excited to try out? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome YouTube tips and tricks. See you in the next one.
So, we've covered a lot of ground today, from turning your voice into a perfectly narrated script to basically having a robot editor clean up all those ums and ahs we all know and love. The point is, whether you're just starting out or you've been in the YouTube game for a while, these AI tools are here to make your life easier, your content better, and your channel more successful. Think of it like this: you still bring the creativity, the passion, and the unique perspective. AI just gives you the superpowers to take it to the next level.